In this tutorial, you will learn where to find the save files and config files in Marvel Rivals. To locate the config file, first open a folder. Open your C drive. Open Users. Open your username folder. Open Saved Games. Open Machine Games. Open the Great Circle. Open Base. In here you will find the config file. The Great Circle config local. Do open it, just right-click it, select Open With and choose Notepad. To locate the save file, first open a folder. Open your C drive. Open Program Files x86. Open Steam. Open User Data. Open your Steam user number. Open the folder to 267.766.0. Open the remote folder. Open Game Slot 0. And here you will find your save files.